DREAM. Now you can see it all. A dream. Well, hello. Our last lesson was about doors. And doors you could lead to another door. And all the possibilities and the purpose of doing it. Well, you know, one of the biggest purposes of all of doing this is about your dream. That's right. We all have a dream. DREAM. Now you can see it all. A dream. So think, you have a dream. You have something. And some people even have dreams of what they want to do in their life, what they want to accomplish. And we want to be able to give purpose to these dreams and have a reason for these dreams. Now, if you're a teacher, your dream might be to help your students achieve their goals, to see their dreams become real. If you're a business person, if you're working in a nonprofit agency, you're a member of the community, you want to see better things in your community. You're a mother and you're taking English classes because your dream is to be able to read stories to your children in English. You want to be able to talk to your child's teacher. Or maybe you have a job and you want to be able to get a promotion. You want to do better things in your life and for your family. You want to be able to apply what you have learned in English class. Or maybe you thought about owning your own business. You want to be an entrepreneur. It's okay. It's whatever. And it's your dream. It's whatever you're thinking about in dreams. So you're thinking, what do I have to do to accomplish my dreams? What do I need to do to make my dreams real? So what are you thinking out there? There's a lot of clouds. You're up in the sky. And that's where dreams happen, is in your imagination. And you're thinking, well, there's overcast skies. There are dark seas. Yes, that's some of the challenges you're going to encounter trying to make your dream real. And you want it to be a very worthy goal. You want to have a dream that you reach inside and you say, I'm going to do this. It's something that means a lot to me. So you look out over those skies. You see the clouds. You see the water. And it's okay. It's going to be great. You're going to have many things happen in your life. And you'd be surprised what you're looking at when you see the waves crashing against the rocks. And some of us were on islands. And our islands, we have different ideas and goals. Yes, there are hurdles. Yes, the hurdles have to be overcome. But guess what? You take the thoughts and you turn them into a worthy goal. And you do that by taking action. You take action and then you do it slow and steady. We have a turtle rock down here at the bottom. I think I can almost point to it. Nope, wrong side. Wrong side. I can. And there it is over there. And that's a rock that looks like a turtle. And turtles do things slow and steady. You take it one step at a time. And what you do is you say, I can do this. It can be done. And you take those steps. And what you do, you build a foundation. You have a foundation when you take the steps, you create a path. And it's like building a house. You build it one step at a time. You build the foundation and then you build up. Well, that's what those steps are. Those steps are the foundation. And it's not always easy, but that's all right. That's what makes it worth doing. It is a worthy effort. You go out there, you accept the challenge. You do everything you have to do to make it become real. And you know that you can do it. And you just take little steps, little bites, little steps. You gradually build. You have a series of goals. You make the smaller goals first. And then what you do is you just keep adding and keep building. And pretty soon, instead of just a foundation, you can see the house, see the walls, the doors, and the windows. And then you put on the roof. And that's your goal. That's your dream taking shape. As you accomplish those goals, your dream begins to become real. You can see it. You're able to say, yes, I can do this. And that's what a lot of you have done in class. And teachers, you have students, you have goals. And even if you're not a student or a teacher, you still have the ability to make your dreams come true. And it's not going to be easy. Sometimes you do have to think outside the box. But the big question is, do you have the willingness to do it? That's the biggest part. Because you're going to have dark clouds and dark seas. It's going to be difficult at times. But it's going to be worthwhile. You can do it. You can make it happen. And you just keep building on it. And you say, yes, it is possible. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can make it. And guess what eventually happens? The sun comes out, the water is blue, you see white little puffy clouds in the sky, and you say, wow, I did it. I was able to accomplish it. And it is real. It can happen. You can improve your ability to speak English. You can get a better job. You can help your family. You can improve your community. You can, because it's inside you and it wants to come out. And that's why this is not a normal class. Neither was the last class. I just want to encourage you. I just want to encourage. See, teacher can make a mistake. I want to encourage you. I want to give you encouragement so that you can make a difference. You can see it's real. You can make it happen. And at this point, I want to say, I want to tell you, it's been fun. I've enjoyed our lesson today. And just leave you with good, warm thoughts. And just wish you a wonderful day and tell you goodbye. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please share it. And be happy. Okay? Can we do that today? All right. Goodbye.